Hey, what's up? What's up, dude?
Nothing, man. Just doing my morning workout. What's up? How's your YouTube thing going?
Good, dude. Decent start.
You recently put up something about quitting your job, right?
Yeah, I think I've really established that bit of me quitting my job. Something about YouTube.
What about it?
In one of my videos, I mentioned that you can grow your portfolio by over 8% in a year. And one of these responses really hit me, man.
Yeah, bro. This year's been tough. COVID took away all of my savings as well.
But dude, I bet I could still do 10% growth.
10% growth? This year?
No, dude. 10% growth this month.
This month? Mad or what?
Challenge accepted. Over the years, I've been trying to find traders online on YouTube, hoping that somebody would answer the questions in my mind on how to generate enough money to quit my miserable job. Somebody who wouldn't be afraid to reveal their funds, tricks, secrets of how they do, what do they do exactly while they trade. In my years of learning trading, I could never find such a person. So I've decided I'm going to try this on my own. From December, I've been doing this experiment where I call out my funds at the beginning of the month and I try to achieve a certain target. I reveal all the trades, techniques, and the exact funds used while trying to grow my account. I want to bring the same experience to YouTube, and I wish to call the segment Showing My Cards. Every month, I will have a budget to trade with and a target that I wish to achieve. Every 2 weeks, I would drop in a video to show you how far I've gone in trying to achieve my target, how I went about it, and everything that you would want to know in following this journey. So in the month of December 2020, I started trading with 2 lakhs and I gave myself a target of 10%. That is, I would want to grow my account by 20,000 rupees. I wish to keep this segment going every few weeks until I reach a point where I can use my trading account to earn a sustainably large amount, such as maybe about 1 lakh per month. And through this segment of Showing My Cards, you will get a view of everything that I do. You will see an in-depth view of my process of working week in, week out towards achieving a certain target. You can also think of it as my report, my trading report to the rest of the world. Wouldn't it be great to have a blueprint of watching someone go from quitting their job, earning smaller amounts and scaling up slowly step by step and documenting this entire journey till they hit a point where the amount is significant? Wouldn't that be great? So I'll see you next week where I report my numbers and performance for the month of December and tell you if I manage to achieve my target of 10% growth within the month of December. So I'll see you next week. Don't forget to subscribe and a happy new year.